Hello guys, my name is Rain GT. I'm a gorrila drama commentary YouTuber. I have not made any commentary videos yet, but I'm making one on that one map where it had no, I'm actually going to make a video on the GTAD retub. The scariest map I have ever seen. Make sure to keep a lookout on that. But yeah, I used to play gorrila tag like Fall GT, but Fall VR, but I quit because I did the community. Things are getting better now. Good updates, really good updates. OG talked about it back, hand tracking, and just everything else. So like and subscribe for more content and